Welcome to our video on 20 tips for making money with your own clothing brand. Starting a clothing brand can be a challenging but rewarding endeavor. These tips will help you navigate the process and turn your passion for fashion into a profitable business. Please remember to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make money. And make sure to stay until the end to hear an exciting bonus fact. Tip number 1, define your unique identity. Before you start creating clothing, it's essential to define your brand's unique identity. This should include your aesthetic, target market, and mission. Consider what sets your brand apart from others in the industry and how you want to be perceived by your customers. Having a clear brand identity will help guide your clothing designs, marketing, and business strategy. Tip number 2, conduct thorough market research. Before starting to create your clothing, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research. Look into the current popular styles and trends within your target market. Analyze the colors, patterns, and materials that are being used by other clothing brands. This research will help you create clothing that stands out and appeals to your target audience. Tip number 3, create a solid business plan. Having a solid business plan is crucial for the success of your clothing brand. Your business plan should include your mission statement, target market analysis, financial projections, and marketing strategy. This plan will also help secure funding and attract investors. Tip number 4, establish a strong online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is vital for the success of your clothing brand. Create a website and social media accounts to showcase your clothing, interact with customers, and build a community of loyal followers. Utilize social media to market your clothing and connect with potential customers. Tip number 5, invest in quality materials. The quality of your clothing materials will have a significant impact on the quality of your clothing. Invest in high-quality materials that are durable and look good. This will help ensure your clothing lasts longer and looks better, which will lead to happy customers and positive reviews. Tip number 6, carefully select a manufacturer. Finding a reliable and quality manufacturer is crucial for the success of your clothing brand. Look for manufacturers that have experience working with small businesses and can produce clothing in small quantities. Make sure to visit the factory and see the production process firsthand to ensure they meet your standards. Tip number 7, set competitive pricing. Setting the right prices for your clothing is crucial to the success of your brand. Research prices of similar clothing in your market and set your prices accordingly. Keep in mind that you will need to factor in the cost of materials, production, and marketing when setting your prices. Tip number 8, develop a comprehensive marketing strategy. Having a comprehensive marketing strategy is crucial for the success of your clothing brand. Use a combination of online and offline marketing methods to reach your target market. This can include social media, email marketing, print ads, and pop-up shops. Tip number 9, network and collaborate. Networking and collaborating with other people in the fashion industry can help your clothing brand grow. Attend fashion events, join fashion groups on social media, and connect with other fashion designers and brands. Tip number 10, continuously learn and improve. Starting a clothing brand is a learning process, and you will make mistakes along the way. Learn from your mistakes and use them to improve your clothing designs, business strategy, and marketing efforts. Tip number 11, obtain feedback. Obtaining feedback from customers, friends, and family is crucial for the success of your clothing brand. Use their feedback to improve your designs, customer service, and overall brand image. Create surveys, hosting focus groups, or simply asking for feedback in person or online. This feedback can help you identify areas of improvement and adapt your products to better serve your target market. Tip number 12, use social media influencers. Social media influencers can be a great way to promote your clothing brand and reach a wider audience. Look for influencers in your target market and reach out to them about collaborating on a campaign or promoting your clothing on their platform. Influencer marketing can help you reach a large and engaged audience, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. Tip number 13, attend trade shows. Attending trade shows can be a great way to connect with potential customers, buyers, and investors. Look for trade shows in your industry and use them as an opportunity to showcase your clothing and network with other industry professionals. Trade shows are an excellent way to showcase your clothing and connect with buyers, retailers, and other industry professionals. You can also use them as an opportunity to gather feedback and gain insights from your target market. Tip number 14, offer customization services. Offering customization services, such as embroidery or monogramming, can set your clothing brand apart and increase customer loyalty. This can also be a great way to tap into a niche market and generate additional revenue. Customization services can help you differentiate your brand and create a unique experience for customers. It also opens up opportunities for personalized gifts and corporate merchandise. Tip number 15, create a referral program. Creating a referral program can be a great way to incentivize your current customers to promote your clothing brand to their friends and family. Offer a discount or other reward for customers who refer new business to your brand. This not only helps to generate new customers but also promotes word-of-mouth advertising, which is one of the most effective marketing strategies. Tip number 16, use email marketing. Email marketing can be a great way to keep in touch with your customers and promote new clothing collections or sales. Use an email marketing service to create a newsletter and send regular updates to your subscribers. Email marketing is an effective and cost-efficient way to reach customers and promote sales. It also helps to build long-term relationships with customers by keeping them informed and engaged. Tip number 17, participate in pop-up shops. Participating in pop-up shops can be a great way to reach new customers and generate additional revenue. Look for pop-up shop opportunities in your area and use them as an opportunity to showcase your clothing and interact with customers in person. Pop-up shops provide a unique and exciting experience for customers and can help increase brand awareness and generate buzz. Tip number 18, utilize online marketplaces. Utilizing online marketplaces such as Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify can be a great way to reach new customers and increase sales. These platforms provide a built-in audience and a simple way to set up an online store. Online marketplaces provide an easy and cost-effective way to reach a wider audience and increase sales. Tip number 19, consider wholesale opportunities. Consider wholesale opportunities to sell your clothing to retailers and other businesses. This can be a great way to increase revenue and reach a wider audience. Wholesale opportunities also allow you to tap into new markets and can help you reach new customers that might not be accessible through traditional retail channels. As you build relationships with retailers, you can also gain valuable insights into what sells well and what doesn't, and adjust your product line accordingly. Tip number 20, continuously innovate. Continuously innovate and stay on top of the latest trends and styles to keep your clothing brand relevant and appealing to customers. Stay up to date on the latest fashion trends and consider introducing new designs, colors, and materials to your clothing line. Innovation is vital to staying ahead in the fashion industry. It also helps to keep your brand fresh and exciting, which helps to attract and retain customers. Starting a clothing brand is not an easy task, but with the right strategies and a bit of persistence, it can be a rewarding and profitable endeavor. By defining your unique identity, conducting market research, creating a solid business plan, establishing a strong online presence, sourcing quality materials, and utilizing various marketing strategies, you can build a successful clothing brand. Remember to always listen to feedback, continuously learn and improve, and stay on top of industry trends. With the right approach and a bit of hard work, you can turn your passion for fashion into a profitable business. Bonus fact: did you know that the fashion industry is one of the most polluting industries in the world? It's estimated that the industry produces around 10% of all humanity's carbon emissions, and it's responsible for 20% of the world's industrial water pollution. The fashion industry also generates 92 million tons of waste each year. This is why it's essential for fashion brands to adopt sustainable and ethical practices in production process, to reduce their environmental impact and help to protect our planet.